Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. Do you love a good foot massage? I know I do. So that's why I bought this foot massager from Nekteck. Now I can get that relaxing massage right from the comfort of my own home. It doesn't get any better than that. This has 6 massage heads that rotate in a circular kneading motion. It feels so amazing the moment you set your feet on them. And I love that some of the heads rotate clockwise while the others rotate counterclockwise. So you can be sure that every inch on the bottom of your foot is being gently massaged by this wonderful machine. And I also love that it has a built-in heating function, which not only provides even greater satisfaction, but it's also supposed to help improve blood circulation in your feet. All you do is press this button once to turn it on, and then once again to turn on the heating function. And then just sit back and relax. I love that I can enjoy a foot massage while watching my favorite TV show all at the same time. And the best part is, I don't even have to ask my husband to give me a foot massage anymore. So I really and truly think that he loves this thing way more than I do. This massager is great because it's not just for your feet. You can also use it as a back massager or even on your calves or your thighs. And it only weighs a little over 3 pounds, so it's easy to move it from one place to the next. After walking on hard concrete floors during my 10-hour shift at work, coming home to this massager and experiencing that immediate relaxation has been truly incredible. I think everyone should try this out, but that's just my point of view.